going to try to get this posted to YouTube. If you're seeing this, it worked. If you're hearing that, that's a baby I'm hiding from. But I'm going to do a series of videos on our new curriculum for next year. This is my box from Christian Light. Christian Light Publications, also known as Christian Light Education. So I'm just going to show you some of the stuff we got. Some of it's, all of it's for next year, or some is even for the year after that. Also, we have 6 kids, 10 and under. Our oldest is going into 6th grade. In homeschool, 5th grade is his public school age. And so he, and then we have all the others to follow. So the first thing we got, and this is the first time I'm seeing this, is my counting book. This goes with their math. We are not using their math this year, so we use this through the year or during the summer. What I love is it gets them to write to 1,000. But you're supposed to do 1 line a day, if I'm correct. It's been a while since we did CLE 1, but like I'll tell you, lesson 59, 61, 62. So almost every day. You can use this however you want. It's just a tool. We just use it when we get to it. So I got one for Ben and eventually one for Ellie. So that will be Ben's next year, probably halfway through the year. We may not even get to it till 1st grade. One of the next things we got, he's just pitiful. One of the next things we got was Drew. This is actually a Sunday school. They call it Bible school. It's actually a Sunday school curriculum. I've had a hard time finding something Bible for Drew that he actually really enjoys. So there was like 6 of these to choose from, and I said, hey, which one do you want to do? It is super, super simple. It's only like a page that he has to read, and then a little bit, and that's what I want for him. I just want to get him learning more, kind of that behind the scene. I did get this because, again, I had a really good deal with it. I might have to grab him because he's just pitiful. But some things like the answer keys I actually would need. So that's that. Let me pause this and get him. How beautiful you are. Did you just want mama? Yeah? Okay. Ooh, I was really looking forward to this book. This is called This Little Monkey. And there's 17 books, but it's written like this. Abby does not like to read, and anything that can make her life a little easier, I like. And I felt like this I can read with the littles, and they can partake. But this is 17 stories. It's an easy reader, so I got that to add to our reading. Then what I got, it looks like, is a collection of their readers. This is your classic. Yeah, you gonna show them? These are like your classic readers we had in school that I remember. And I'm going to try to do this. So this is the 6th grade reader. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of stories. What we liked about this is that, turn that off. They have a good mix of stories. They're Christian-based, good character. A lot of the times they'll throw in Bible verses as like either a poem or like in here, this one's about the prodigal son. I know they throw in some Psalms that under the poem side, and it's just a really, really good book. We use these during the years to fill in some of our independent reading time. And so because we have basically right now we have kinder through 6th grade, I had the 1st and 3rd, and I went ahead and I filled in all the gaps. So we have, this one was the 6th grade, and they have like calls to courage. So this one is about being courageous. The road's less traveled. This is the 7th grade one. I did get him the 7th grade one too. Talks about like kind of hardships. What do you got? Open windows. Like they're all themed. Now, we don't do the workbooks, but what I do is I take my teacher's manual and I ask them the questions and kind of go over some of the vocab that they put in there. It's like your classic readers. What else we got in here, buddy? Happy Hearts. Grade 2 has 2 books. I know, what is it? Oh, that paper. Okay, this is what I am probably the most excited about. Our daughter has suspected dyslexia and just has a really, really hard time reading. Oh, he can't get it out. We have to show them these because this is really cool. So we have used their flashcards in the past and been very successful with them. And they just were basic flashcards. But they really helped Abby, and they helped me know which ones she still needed to work on. Oh yeah, we're busting these out. So these are the sight word flashcards. And they take sight words and they put them to pictures. Some, many, for. So, yeah, pull the paper out. We are very excited to use these. There's still a lot of words she should know and doesn't know. And we're going to basically take these sight words, use them with the program we're using, and have those available for her. The other sight words I got, the other cards I got, I should say, were the thank you. Were the spelling flashcards. Kind of again, same concept. Ooh, these are heavy. Whoa, they're bigger than I thought. Buzz, double Z, adds a picture. So again, we are going to take these, link them up to pull out the ones to kind of, yes, Fisher, to match what we're doing. So like right now we're doing long vowels. So I'll find any long vowels in here and then use them. Here is, it does come with, both of them came with a list. Goodness. Like this, that shows you what's on them. So, look at that. Does it tell you how many? There's a lot. But this says it's for their second grade program. Ooh, washed out. Yeah. So, we are very excited about these because Abby has done well with flashcards, and I'm just really looking forward to giving her that visual picture. I think that will really, really help her, especially just the way she learns. That's pretty much what we got. I just have to, and I got some of these little desk thingies. 2 manuscripts for the littles, cursives for the big kids. So, again, I got those for a pretty good steal. So, that is all we got. And I think that looks about right. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be putting their curriculum. No, sir. No. I'll be putting their curriculum. Someone's having a hard time learning in O. You can see a book. Want to see this book? This is your book. What is that? Monkey? So we'll be putting together their curriculum videos real soon so you can kind of see how we're going to be using it. We will be using these reading books once to twice a week is the plan. And then definitely once a week. Trying to get it in 2 days a week. And then they'll fill in with their independent readers either after or on a different day. It'll be up to them. But I think this gives them that basic, and I hate to use the word testing, but this is kind of how the society is. You read a passage, you answer questions, do vocab. This is kind of going to hopefully prepare them a little bit more for those kinds of testing and just get their brain working. It's a tool for me to be able to, okay, let's read this, talk about it. But I love that these are Christian-based, good character books. Like, I don't have to question these. So I'm really thankful for that. And it has Bible verses in it, which for us is a bonus. So we are really, very thankful. So here's what the books, they're just so pretty. Look how pretty they are. Oh, they have numbers on the side. So pretty. So that is our curriculum haul from Christian Light. Hey, Fishy, can you say bye-bye? Can you blow them kisses? Say bye.
Bye.